My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware called Force. Force is a new ransomware belonging to the Phobos ransomware family. My video, though, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly protect your files or how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you recover your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But very soon this ransomware does its malicious job. It is called Force because it encrypts files and appends this force extension to the file names, and as a consequence it is impossible to open the files. Then the ransomware reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that a special ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button. Install it and then start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. After you click on the Start Scan button, the software will begin scanning, researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will then give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your device. The scanning, of course, takes some time. It depends on various factors. You can upgrade to Premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate features of Combo Cleaner at any time. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its premium license has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data in the future. But as I said before, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. You can find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.